Hello guys, welcome to another perfect niche episode 20, and in this video I'm going to show you another perfect niche and where you can get the interior from, including how well it is doing, if it is worth focusing on, if it's worth producing a book on. But before we get into that, let's quickly take a look at this book. That's the printing cost and everything that has to do with the book. How well is it doing? So page count, I've already filled this up before I made the video, but I'm going to show you where I got it from. So I'm going to hit calculate, and this book's estimated royalty is $246. And how many sales is it doing per month? So its rank right now is 1650. So I hit calculate, and it's doing approximately 1533 books per month and approximately 102 sales per day. So as usual, I'm going to whip out my calculator and do some calculations. So 1533 times 246 times 246, and that gives us what? Is this correct? 37,000? I think that's wrong. Let me do it again. So its estimated royalty is 2.46 times number of sales per day is 1533 times 1533. Okay guys, it's so funny because it looked kind of wrong before, but yeah, here it is. So it is 3,771. That's actually what the person gets per month, about $3,000, and per day that will be 102 times 246. 2.46. So that is about $250 per day and $3,000 per month. Not bad guys. So let's get into the nitty-gritty of this niche, see everything about it, the interior and everything. So if you're interested in it, keep watching. Let's go. So guys, here is the niche that I was talking about. It is called how to draw. Actually, I found it in the German marketplace. That's why it's doing well. As of now, it has like 852 sales, and it was produced March 11, 2022, not too long ago. So it's actually doing quite well guys. So I want to show you the interior. Actually, you can see the interior, but I always like going inside, how the customer will look at it and seeing how well the book is doing. So as of now, it's a black and white book, plain black and white. It just shows you the steps to draw. This one is a dog, and so I actually like that it's both in English and in German. That's nice. So this is a snail. Simple drawings that a child can do. So I have a frog here, a cat, caterpillar, and fish. So I like that this person has put in front of the cover how to, I said this last time, that if you don't have the ability to put this at the back of your book, it's important that you put it both in the back and the front, like this person has done right here. So this is the back of the book, and you can see that they have samples on the back and they have samples on the front. The reason they are doing this is because on computer I can look inside, but someone on mobile does not have this feature. So it's just for people who are on computers or PCs. But if you're on mobile and want to purchase something, you can look at the back and front. This is available for both mobile and computer. So that's why they have it on the back and they have it on the front. Then there are some people who are, do I say lazy? They don't want to take a look at this, and they just look at this front cover and they make a decision if to purchase it or not. So they also have it here on the front cover of the page. So that is what we should be doing. Like I said in my last video, we should be putting pictures or interiors of our books. If it's unique, put it on the front, put it on the back, and Amazon also make this available for those who are on PCs. So with that being said, As of now, the book is doing quite well, 105 pages. That's where I got the pages from, and the price is price 6.99 euros. I converted that, it became I think $7 something. That's what I use here. And the BSR rank, you guys can see it right here too. So that is about it for this niche. What else can we learn? One thing that they are not doing that I would have recommended that they do is to have more niches or more books in this niche. So make it into a series, because when you make a book into a series, when you scroll down like this, you're gonna see other books by this author. You're gonna see it around here or here, yeah, right here. You're gonna see it around here, other books by the author. And unfortunately, this person didn't make it into a series, but I'm guessing they have other books, these drawing books. This one is just oh, I recognize this author. The previous videos I made about this and this one, so I recognize this author. So if you haven't watched those videos, I recommend that you do. This one is the handicraft, that's cut out books, cut out coloring books. You can color, then you cut it out. So that was another perfect niche video that I did. So like I was saying, I knew that they will have other learning how to draw videos, because obviously the niche is doing well, and that's what I recommend you do. If you learn on a niche and you discover that it's doing quite well for you, produce more books in that niche. So that is exactly what they're doing. But the only thing they are not doing is making it into a series. If they made it into a series, I would have been able to see this other book on the front page, but I cannot see it because they didn't make it into a series. I had to click on their brand name and keep scrolling. So some customers will not want to do that, especially if they are on in here. So this is another one for dinos. So learning how to draw for dinos, you see all of them have good BSRs and all the like. So this niche is actually doing quite well for this author, and I recommend that you do the same. But make sure that you create it into a series. And if you want to know how to create into a series, let me know. If you don't know how to do it, let me know. I'm going to produce another video for that. So with that being said, let's take a look at where you can get the interior for this niche. So I dived over to Fiverr and I did a search for learn to draw, and I had a pretty good amount of results that were not related to learning how to draw. For example, this one is making videos about drawing on a YouTube channel that I didn't even know. So you can actually create a YouTube channel with content that is not produced by you, that is produced by another person. This person does the same thing for $5. That's pretty affordable, guys. And you know, YouTube can become a passive income for you, especially if you are not the one producing the videos and you have a good number of followers. That can become really passive for you. So all you have to do is set up initial investment. That is by paying this person. The person is going to produce a video for you, and you just upload it into your YouTube channel, and you sit, and we have 1,000 subscribers and more than, I think, 3,000 watch time. Yes, 3,000 watch time, and boom, you start making money from the video passively, guys. So this is a something I discovered that I want to let you guys know. Nowadays you don't have to show your face on the YouTube channels. You don't have to, because before people create YouTube channels, they were like, oh, you have to show your face before people can trust you. But nowadays, as you can see, you see many faceless YouTube channels. Most of the time I don't show my face on this video, but I have subscribers, so you can do it too, guys. So and I'm getting considerable amount of income from this, although I haven't yet started reporting my income report from YouTube, but I'm going to do that in the future, not yet. And it's pretty passive for me, guys. So I really recommend that if you don't have a YouTube channel, YouTube is free, guys. It's free. You don't have to pay for anything. The only thing that you have to pay for is maybe a video. But if you can produce your own video, that would be awesome. I'm talking about people who don't have the skills to produce a video, because let's be honest, some people don't have the skills and some people just don't want to. So there are two types of people here. But either of them, if you don't want to produce a video, or you don't have the skills to produce a video, you can always purchase the services. So enough talking about these services. What I came here to talk about is this step-by-step drawing book for kids. So this one right here is the one that I found, and it's Fiverr's choice, and it's $15, guys. So if you have the money to invest for this, I'll recommend that you purchase one a service like this. And they have 25 drawing simple samples. So this is for the basic. Let's see the standard is $30, you have 50, and then premium is $60, you have 100. So let's take a look at the number this person has, this author. I think they have 100 pages or so, but let's take a look at yeah, 105 pages. So basically, if you want to make 100 plus pages, yeah, 100 is $60. But if you can draw, that is awesome. You can do it on your own. So I'm just recommending something that oh, you have one other IQ. So someone has already purchased this, and it's available 8x5x11, size 100 pages. This is actually for this premium. Let's take a look, and they have all 5-star reviews, so you can see this is actually Fiverr too is recommending this, so this is trusted. So the link to this person, I'm gonna leave it in the comment section below if you're interested in finding out more about this gig. So that's basically it, guys. I don't want to make the video long. This niche is good to go. It's flying with socials that these people are really purchasing this, and it's time for you to make your own book, get a pie of from the sales this person is having. And this is in the German market. I haven't even checked if this is available in the US market, so maybe you can upload to the US market and see how well it does for you. Don't forget to advertise. If you want to know how to advertise, I also have a video for that on my channel. And that's basically it, guys. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about print on demand and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.